welcome to my kitchen. Today on Cooking Show at Home, I'm making a simple vegetable dish with more flavor than you'd imagine. Sliced cabbage is sautéed with mushrooms and other veggies. You'll find the list of ingredients on the screen and in the video description below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to support my channel. For this dish, I'll need 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, half of a small head of green cabbage, half of a medium onion, 1 medium carrot, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, 2 medium potatoes. Optional, fresh dill for garnish, 3 to 4 medium-sized mushrooms. I'll start by thinly slicing the cabbage. Next, dice the onion. Now I'll grate the carrot. I've already peeled the potatoes. Now I'll dice them into small cubes, about the size you'd use for soup. Crush and slice or mince the garlic. Now it's time to turn the heat on and heat up a frying pan. I'm using something more like a wok, but any large frying pan will work. Pour in the olive oil, wait until it heats up, and once it's hot enough, start with the shredded cabbage. Fry it over high heat, but don't forget to stir so it doesn't burn. Next, add diced onion, let it cook for a bit while I go back to the cutting board to slice the mushrooms. Once they're sliced, add them to the pan and stir well. Next, add the grated carrot, followed by the diced potatoes. Keep the heat on high. Add crushed black pepper and salt to taste. Continue frying for another 5 minutes, then reduce the heat to low and cover with a lid. Let it cook on the stove for another 12-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. While it's still cooking, chop the dill. And as always, check the potatoes to see if the dish is ready. If they're soft, it's done. Okay, our cabbage is ready. Turn off the heat, add the dill, stir well again, and voila! Our sautéed cabbage is done. Serve and enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more homemade recipes.